In this tutorial, we will see that how can check watch history on Twitter or X in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, you have to launch this X. At the left upper side, you will see here your profile picture. Click on that and this window will appear. From here, open this settings and sport. And open settings and privacy from here. After opening it, you will find these sum of settings. You have to open your account from here. You will see this download an archive of your data. If you click on that, after confirmation, you will get this window where you can get insights into type of information stored of your account. Like you can request a zip file with an archive of your account information that includes account history, apps and devices. If you click on that request archive, it will show you this notification. We will notify you when your data is ready. It can take 24 hours or longer. And then it will send a PDF file to you where you will get all of the history like watch history, account information and many more information. So that's how you can check watch history on Twitter or X in just few easy steps.